Hey guys, welcome back to another drink test. For today, I am proud to be trying out the Frozen Bean Company's. This is their caramel macchiato. I'm sure I said that wrong, but this has 2 times the caffeine double shot, only 5 grams of sugar per serving. I'm pretty excited to be testing this out, my friends. For some facts, you guys can go on the back here and pause the video right here. Hopefully that shows you guys some specs. Also, if you lose your box, hopefully you guys can see here the directions. Okay guys, so I make mine a little bit different. You know, everyone can make their own. I kind of eyeball mine. I put some water in, and then what I do is I add milk. Like that. And everything for me, I just kind of eyeball. And then I go ahead and I add ice. We actually might have put a little too much water in, so I'm gonna empty it out just a little bit. We're gonna add ice. Lots of ice. And the nice thing is, after you blend it, you can see if you need more water, milk, or ice. Some people do it with just water. I find that it's the best with a little bit of water and milk. Okay, then what I'll do is I'll put the packet in. Again, you can do it hot, you can do it cold, you can do it blended. So this is what it looks like. We place the packet inside like that. And again, we might add more ice, water, or milk depending on the consistency. So headphone users, this might be loud, this next part. Oh, that actually might be a good consistency. We may have got that pretty good. Now, if you want it more liquidy, add less ice, more water. If you want it more slush, so here we can see it's slush, but you can also see the ice in there. You see all that? That's all ice. Delicious. And that's probably going to be perfect for us. Alright guys, now we do the taste test. Again, this is the caramel macchiato. I'm hoping I'm saying that right. We'll see, but that is delicious. That is very good. You know, it reminds me of McDonald's Frappe or Frappe, depends on who you're talking to. Some say Frappe, some say Frappe. It reminds you of that, just without the massive fillers. McDonald's puts a lot of, well, we don't need to go in that. You guys know the sugar's through the roof on those things. This is a better way. That's delicious, delicious. So this is a 14 ounce. It's probably a little bit more than 14. It says 14. It's a little more than 14 ounce cup. We fill it to about right here of water, to about right here of milk. So below the 14 ounce of milk, and then the rest we fill ice in the packet. That's it. Blend it. Delicious, my friends. Delicious.